Hello everyone, Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're having a great day. Today I've got something completely different. This here is something called the Hot Wheels Legends. This is a Kyle Petty version. Came out in 1997. Let's see what's inside this box. Now I have not seen the inside of this box in many, many years. Go ahead and pull it out. Looks like tape is still sealed on it. And it appears, well, that surprised me. I thought it'd be, oh, okay. That's all that's in the box now, a little piece of foam in there. And it's a, I guess it's a display case. It says Hot Wheels on it. I don't want to unwrap it because it'll be a bugger trying to put it back in there. Came with a 90-day limited warranty, which I'm sure is expired by now. And here's a picture of the little card that goes on the other side. And here we have Tracks Kyle Petty card. And for more ordering information, you can do that. It says 1992 on there. And inside of here, is that upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. Let's do it this way. Right here is the 44 of Kyle Petty. Well, Hot Wheels. That's pretty slick. It's a, I guess it's 1/64 scale, right? Most Hot Wheels, Matchbox, that kind of thing. Has the opening hood, which is pretty cool. Some detail on the bottom there. It's a 1997, made in China. Wheels roll. They don't steer. The rear wheels roll. A couple of shots of that. Just thought that was pretty cool. I found that tucked in with my model car stash. But the main reason for the video today is I got something a little different for you. I'd like to share an idea with you. Now, I'm not preaching, I'm just talking here, so don't beat me up too much in the comments afterwards. Most of my viewers, according to YouTube analytics, are adults. So this is for you, especially if you're new to the hobby of model building, but also for every human being on planet Earth. I'd like to talk about the unnecessary pressure we put on ourselves to achieve perfection for no reason other than to try to live up to our own expectations of what we perceive as perfection. We often don't start a project, whether it's a model kit or building a kitchen cabinet or simply refurbishing an old dresser. It's not because of a lack of knowledge, especially not nowadays with Google and YouTube and all the internet, but it's because of a lack of confidence in ourselves. So what I'm trying to say is allow yourself to make a mistake. It's okay. Building model kits or building anything in life, even relationships, is all about trying and learning. Whether we get it right or we fumble and fall down and we have to start over and do it again. All that matters is we learn from the mistakes and we learn from what was done properly, and then we do it again. That's called experience. And with that experience, we not only gain knowledge, but that's also how we gain confidence. So what I'm trying to say is allow yourself the opportunity to fall down, get back up, laugh, learn, and move on. This life is all you have. This is it. Enjoy every moment. Share your love and passion in life with those around you. Push away the negativity and drama. It's just not worth it. Anyways, sorry about that rant. I'm off my soapbox now. I want to thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe if you like what you've seen or heard today. I wish you all safe travels in life. This is Model Car Guy Rich. We'll see you on the next one. And as always, keep on modeling.